students, all of you welcome this internal Smart India Hackathon 2023. TransStadia Institute giving the platform to participate in this event. Actually, this event, Smart India Hackathon, is organized by Ministry of Education in 2017. What is the main motto of the Smart India Hackathon? It's giving platform to students to solve the problem related to organization, your environment, and also maybe related to government. It's provided with students can learn different platforms, different languages, different tools. All of you participate in this Smart India Hackathon and show your talent. Smart India Hackathon is mainly combination of development, programming, think out of box with brainstorm, you work in team leaders and you complete your task within time. This is the combination of SIS.